Hey developer, Dash Solution Private Limited is hiring for the software engineer trainee role and the work location is Hyderabad. Talking about the required qualifications, BTech, MTech students can apply for this role and the upcoming 2025-26 batch apply for this role. And talking about the required skills, required familiarity with core principal process such as accounting, distribution or manufacturing, and knowledge of converting data from legacy system into dynamic nav or business centrals. Experience with .NET, MS SQL, SSR preferred. Experience with Lanham, ADI, ESA, pre-series, A-receive and charge logic required. So these are the some different skills required, but you can learn and apply for this role if you have knowledge in .NET, MS SQL and SSRS and experience with AL, Visual Code Studio and understanding of events and subscribers, and read more about this. So if you have interested in these tax skills, you can apply for this role. And here is the deadline 3rd Feb 2026. So apply before it. So in this video, apply link below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skill Layer for more job updates.